Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another vlog. And today we'll be doing kayaking inside China Beach. Going down in the water and pretty solid. And let's go kayak. No, you're not flying over the spectrum. You're flying over the spectrum's friend.
Oh,
Also,
yes.
messed up.
I'm his friend. I'm on this channel. And then I'll send it later.
Okay guys, we just have finished kayaking and this is the end of the video, and I hope you guys in the next video, and peace. Anyways guys, this is the end of the video, and here's my friend over there.
Hello, subscribe.
And I'll see you guys in the next video, and also listen to her. Yes everyone, please subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.
This
Peace.
is flying